Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Rohan. My number is 36 and my topic is instant segmentation. So let's get into the talk. So my topic is instant segmentation using RCNN with Opencv. Okay. So let's read this objective. So computer vision is being widely used in this industry. So you must have come across the application where computer vision played a major role. Yes. So in my presentation, we'll be seeing image segmentation, a fascinating problem domain in the computer vision. So what is instant segmentation? So first of all, we'll see the image. So what is this image? So it is the model of human femur. It shows the outer surface, which is in red color, the surface between compact bone and the spongy bone, which is in green color at the top, and the surface of the bone marrow, which is in blue color. You may see. So it is an approach that identifies for every pixel a belonging instance of the object. So this image that detects each distinct object of the interest of the image. For example, when each person in a figure is segmented um, as an individual object, I'll clearly explain. So instant segmentation. It is a challenging computer vision that the task requires the prediction of object instances and their pixel segmentation mask. This makes it a hybrid of some semantic segmentation and object detection. So we should not confuse between object, semantic, and instance. So I have clearly explained and I have shown the image. So first image is the object detection. So second one is this semantic segmentation, and third one is instant segmentation. So what is object segmentation? You can see the image, like it separated the each person. And what is semantic? It shows the outline of the person. And what is instance? So we can have like we'll be having like RGB color. So it represents like that. So difference between image and object detection. So you can see the images at the bottom. Okay. Uh, the image segmentation will create a pixel-wise mask of each object in the images, which is instant segmentation. It will specify the location of the single object in an image, whereas object detection specifies the local of a multiple object in the image. So you can see the visual perception tasks. So you can first images like image classification, and second one is object detection. You can clearly see the second picture. So it represents the each person and it marked as rectangle. And third one is semantic segmentation. And fourth one is instant segmentation, like using mask RCNN. So let's get into the topic. Introduction of mask RCNN. So what is mask RCNN? Stands for Mask Region Convolutional Neural Network. So it is the state-of-art algorithm for instant segmentation. So it is evolved through four main versions: RCNN and fast RCNN and faster RCNN and mask RCNN. I'll be clearly explained in the coding. Okay, first three vision for the object detection. So we have two main stages. Like first stage is like use region proposal network, which is RPN, to purpose candidate object bounding boxes. And the second stage, it classifies the candidate boxes, define the boxes and predict marks. So multiple scale problem. So you can see the images. So mask RCNN head networks. It classifies the identify the class for each role, like K classes plus background. So it is the evolution of RCNN. So I've told you 4 things, no, first, faster, and fastest. So let's move to the coding. Yes, so instant segmentation. By using Opencv with deep learning, you'll be able to detect any objects in the type of environment. So that's why we are using Opencv. So first thing we need to do is importing the libraries, required packages. So import CV, import numpy np from Google Colab patches, input CV2. I'm sure. So second one is loading mask or CNN. So I've imported in my drive. Yes, you can see here I've imported. So, so what is mask association CNN? It is like a convolution neural network. I already told CNN, and it's the state of art in the terms of image segmentation and instant segmentation. So, how RCNN works? Like mask RCNN uses anchor basis to detect the multiple objects and object in the different states and scales and overlapping object in an image. So this is how it works. So next I have loaded the mask RCNN and now generating the random colors. So why we are generating colors? So what is color spaces? We might know the what is color spaces. So most common color space like RGB. So what is red, green, blue, and it color represent in the term of red, green, and blue. Yeah. And RGB is considered as a addictive color space. So we have a RGB value. So like red means will be having 255, 0, 0, and orange means 255, 128, 0, and pink means 255, 153, and 235. So this is the value. And second thing is we are loading the image. So I've loaded the image in the drive. Then horse. Wait, guys. So this is the image. Next is creating a black image. So one thing I want to tell you, so why we are using this image segmentation. So what is the use of instant segmentation? Like it gives different labels for separate instance of object belongs to the same class. So instant segmentation may be defined as the technique of simultaneously solving the problem of object detecting as well as that of semantic segmentation. So I've told you the color segmentation and color spaces. And next is detect the object. So blob is equal to cv2.dnn.blob from image. Image swap or b is equal to true. So blob. So first thing we need to compare into the image. So we are using blob. So why we do this? So why blob? And simply, if we are processing an image to analyze by deep learning network, there are few operations which is we need to do, and these functions Thus, the operation might be scaling of the image to dump the image smaller and swapping the channels. Different frameworks use different format and so on. So this is why we use this. So next is box masks. So I've told you about mask and boxes. So we have given detection count is equal to boxes dot shift. Next one is we have given as I in range detection count. So for class ID box is equal to 1, and if the score is lesser than 0.5, it continues to xy. So next x1 y1. So I have taken as x2 y2, and we have kept as width height. So after that, to get the mask. So what to get get the mask is the color is yellow. So we are doing the image resizing. So we are using binary threshold in this one, and it shows the size, and the size is rectangle. So binary means only two, which is black or white. So the shape should be in rectangle, which is 255, and it might be white or black. So get mask coordinates. So contour is equal to cv2 dot find contours np dot array mask np dot uint int 8. So why we are using this? So okay, finally you can see the output. So in this you can see the here they mark as rectangle, and it detects the image, and for that we have taken this line. So finally visualizing the output. Okay, look at this. We got the output, and this is the instant segmentation. So in this, I have built my presentation to detect the image and track crops from a single frame. And this is the instant segmentation. Yes, thank you so much.